Hello everyone and welcome. If you're new here, a very big welcome to you. If you've been here before, a very big welcome back. So, this is basically an update on the sound issues that have been plaguing my channel because, well, let's admit, I'm not very good at this. Which is why I do it for fun and nothing else. That is not something you stick somewhere where you shouldn't. That is my 9-ish-year-old Blue Yeti. Probably the best microphone I've ever had. Anyway, turns out that after all these years, the right channel went. And that's why everyone can only hear, I think everyone was only hearing on the left. I don't know. Part of the problem is when I do playback through my speakers. And I'm old, and I used to listen to too much Def Leppard when I was younger. I used to listen to Def Leppard through headphones, and I probably blew out most of my hearing. Which is probably why I couldn't really tell a difference. But after about 45 minutes of trial and error, and finally I decided to just make a little test video using OBS. And I noticed only one of my little green lines was working, which basically is where the problem lies. And then after more testing, I put this to fully right side, and it was picking up jack squat. So anyway, I got a new one coming. It's probably about time I upgraded that anyway, because, well, I mean, things don't last forever, especially these days. But so this is just a quick little update on that, right now I'm just using the microphone on my camera. The only problem is my camera is right next to my speakers. And I don't like headphones anymore because I wear a headphone all day at work. Which makes recording awkward because I hate headphones now. And I'm stupid and my camera is right next to my speakers. But I do have a new one coming on Sunday, so everything should be back to normal then, and the quality should be a lot better. I'm also going to use this as a bit of a channel update. We're at 99 subscribers. We're almost at 100. My son is like really excited. For those of you who have been tuning into my son's live streams, he is going to be live streaming on the weekends, Saturday, Sunday. He enjoys it. I'm letting him do that because he's a lot like me. He's very introverted, especially since his mother died. He went very deep into his shell, much like me. That's one of the reasons why I'm doing this, is to try to bring myself out and make myself less introverted. And it's good for my son because he enjoys it and it is bringing him out and it makes him happy. So I do like to, excuse me. I would like to say thank you for the people who have been watching his streams, been encouraging him, been giving him tips on Minecraft and that. He does enjoy making his Minecraft videos for you, so he's at school right now, so I will say thank you for him. He did want me to say thank you to everyone when I told him I was going to be making this video. As for the channel going forward, I am personally going to try to live stream more. I've just been like exhausted with work and that, which makes doing live streams hard when you're exhausted. But I mean, single father life. I mean, if you're not exhausted, you're not doing life right. Am I right there? But basically, I'm going to try to finish up, what is it? Critter Cove and Harvest Island. I might do a bit more Half Sword. You all seem to like Half Sword. So I might stream that on Friday night. But basically I want to get into doing more series than just straight up demos, because although I like demos, because demos are free. and I like free stuff. I would like to do a bit more of the long form series. At least that's the plan. That's the plan going forward, is more so to do long form series with demos here and there. I mean, it basically comes down to I need to find the time to sit and record multiple episodes if I'm doing long form, which by the time I get my son to bed and I do have that opportunity to do the long form, then it's basically I'm ready for bed. I will be making another video on Babylon 5 because I have watched the Babylon 5 animated one and I'm not impressed. Not impressed at all. So look for that this weekend. And yeah, as I said, my son's going to be back on Saturday to do his live stream, and Sunday to do his live stream. I'll be doing mine on Friday night. Like I said, I'll probably do Half Sword, or I might do Critter Cove. I don't know yet. It's going to be one of the two, anyway. So it's basically going to be what I feel like, and yeah. So that's basically going forward. I'm going to try and do more long form, more maybe more vlogs. I mean, I got a camera that I can put up. I can point out the window when the snow's coming. So I want to do snow camps when it snows really heavily here. I mean, I do live in Atlantic Canada, and the snows are coming. Snows are supposed to be going for 3 centimeters on Monday night, so that's going to be interesting, like the first decent snow of the year. Not really looking forward to that because I hate driving in snow. I mean, I've lived in Canada now for 20 years and the snow starts and I just dread it. But I think that's where we're going to leave this, ladies and gentlemen. As I said, this is more of an update on me apologizing for being not good at this regarding the sound. Once I worked out what it was, well, issue is being rectified. And we'll get back to regular programming tomorrow. Tomorrow, yeah. We'll get back to regular programming tomorrow, and as I said, the live streams are going to continue on the weekend with my son. For those of you who have followed the channel just for him, which I know there's a couple of you that just followed for his Minecraft. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have a very wonderful day. If you like hearing this voice, I mean, why would you not? Stick around for a bit, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, ladies and gentlemen, and have a good one.